Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Chloe.
And my name is Jael. It's a magnificent day to be a Panther.
Panthers, stay tuned for information coming soon on custom embroidering. Coach Stengel has got his embroidery machine up and running, and you should see some really awesome heritage custom clothing around campus.
That's great. Did you know we could ask them to put our name or sports on any of our heritage item, or actually on anything like a hat or a backpack?
See Coach Stengel for pricing or more information.
In sports news, baseball tryouts will be held this coming Monday the 22nd at 4 p.m. Good luck.
Good luck to our boys soccer and girls basketball teams today as they compete this afternoon.
In club news, BSU is starting Penny Wars, and if you don't know what this is, it's where your penny or other amount scores points for your teachers and take points away from the other teacher. The winning teacher will get a pie in the face on February 1st.
This Penny War will start next Monday, the 22nd, and end that Friday, the 26th. So start getting your coins gathered up. The participating teachers are Mr. Link, Coach Benson, Mr. McGee, Ms. Sharp, Coach Polmeis, and Ms. Van Bibber.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!